Good morning, everybody. We are at Vacaria Raceway. Roar Nationals going on here. Look at the beautiful, so nice airport. Racetrack is right in front of me. It's gonna be a good day. There's another Michael's Hobbies here. I'm here. We're gonna try to supply these guys with what we have going on. I'm not racing, but that's okay. So it's gonna be a good day. My girlfriend's here, Lindsay. She's helping me out. So it'll be a fun day.
That's all good. So yeah, I would just
28.7.
I will add a piece.
We're going to have drivers meeting in 10 minutes. And then by Tech, 12:10 for the drivers meeting.
$13, 12. So I'm still missing 8 grams. Yeah, 8 grams. Got it.
Interesting.
Oh, yeah, no, right? Oh my God, you're kidding me.
Excuse me.
There's no way I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna get that much. You check that?
I don't see any frogs out here yet.
17.
But tons of cars.
14.3.
12 scales, 10 scales. I'll be stacking a lot more stuff for this.
15.
OGHobbiesRC.com.
17. Unknown driver. 13.
Really cool.
15.2. 25.7. 14.3. 17.6. 14.2.
See what I'm saying? The SSL?
Yeah. Oh yeah, look, it's perfect.
It's designed for the chassis.
14.4.
That's really good.
I don't know what you pay for those things, but they're usually about retail. They're like $280.
Yeah.
14.5.
Because I just, are these the same size servos that the 12 scales are using too? Yeah, I just.
No.
Oh, okay.
No, the 12 scale I use an SXR. I use the other same one servo, the SXR one.
Oh, the
mini,
small,
the micro
mini
one.
ones. Yeah, the micro ones.
And I wouldn't run a 12 scale without this either. But Felix programs all my transmitters, programs all my servos, so I have options for steering. I have
Gotcha.
option 1, 2, and 3, which one makes it more. The 3 makes it the most aggressive, and the 1 settles planes the car down. I don't even know. I've been learning how to do it, but he actually changes like the speed and the torque of it.
Yeah.
So it
makes sense.
And actually, when you turn the wheel, it does something different than it just being. And I actually have modes where when I do my hot lap, I'll test mode 1, 2, 3, and just which one feels better for the track conditions at the time. That's why I use all these, because they work with telemetry. They're programmable.
Makes sense,
And that's
man.
why you pay.
So you're running 12 scale
12.9.
BTA F1.
F1. I'm very ambitious this weekend.
17.3. 23.2. 13.6.
How's the restroom?
15.4. 40.3. 14.4.
We're stacked.
13.5. 14 flat. 18.8. 20.1. 16 flat. 13.4. Herman Walker. 13.8. Chad Peets, 27. Unknown driver, 13.9. 15.5. 14.7. 14.6. 16.5. 19.7. 25.3. 13.6. 14.5. 14.9. 50.8. 17.2. 14.7. 13.7. 16 flat. 33.9. 16 flat. 18 flat. 17.4. 14-8. 13-8. 15-8. 14-9. 13-6. 21.5. 13-8. 13-7. 14-2. 18-1. 14-2. 13-8. 14-1. 34.6. 17-1. Unknown driver. 14-4.
I'm gonna walk off the track right here.
17-3.
Trying to get some videos for you guys.
18 flat.
There's the driver's stand. That
14
car's
flat.
still open practice, so
19-8. 13-9. 14-4. 16-8.
get you guys.
16-2. 15-4. 21.2. 14 flat. 35.1. 16-2. 16-9. 23.5. 15-4. 14-6. 13-8. 18-2. 14-9. 14-4. 16-7. 14-5. 15-8. 13-6. 21.2. 15 flat. 17-9. 14 flat. 15-4. 20.2. 18-2. 17-9. 17 flat. 13-7. 17-5. Unknown driver. 46.6. 14 flat. 19-7. 17-6. 22.8. 14-1. 18 flat. 16-3. 59.8.
Clear from front of the scoring stand. Feet are clear. Dean 16-2, Ramsdale 16-4, Cayman 17-2, Fraden 16-7, Draper 25-4, and Centenario 18 flat. Dean on a 23-6-13 pace. Currently looking to go second on the grid. Ramsdale on a 23-6-15, looking to go third on the grid. Cayman 22-6-17, Fraden 21-6-10, Draper 19-6-11. Now Diaz up to the top spot with a 16-5. King 17 flat, Santiago 16-8, Fraden 17-1, Bruce 18-5, Gibson 20.6. 20 seconds left to go, drivers. Less than 10. That's the race clock, everybody. Keep going until you hear your name.
Bill Fraden done. $14.5. $14.5. $14.8. $15.4. $19.2. 14 flat. 16.2. 18.1. 14.4. 14.9. 14.7. 15 flat. 16-3, 16-6, 14-7, 14-4, 13-7, 14 flat,
The scoring stand now. Intergraph in the all blue car working through the chicane down the straightaway in that 3 spot. Jesus Diaz in the red and yellow. What you gonna do about it, brother?